These are the images many people have of Greece, but to the Chinese, Greece is not simply a tourist destination. It is a business opportunity. At a time that most investors are fleeing the cash-strapped country, the Chinese are making huge investments. Greece's main port of Piraeus has been taken over by Chinese shipping giant COSCO. Under a 35-year plan, they will invest $3.5 billion building a massive container handling facility at the port. And further investment deals are underway. But not everyone is happy. Dock worker Yorgos Gogos works for the Piraeus Port Authority OLP, which remains state-run. He says COSCO uses subcontractors to cut labor costs, creating a bad precedent.
Piraeus Port Authority, our organization, presses us to have reductions of wages. This is not competition. This is going to eliminate the standard of living of people who work in the port generally.
And trade unions in the country are uneasy about the long-term implications of allowing China so much power. Politicians, however, point to the opportunities for Greece. China is reportedly planning to develop a logistics center and build new railway lines, meaning it could ship goods made in China to the rest of Europe.
This kind of combination of maritime, railway and road transport is going to be maybe the biggest installation of that kind in Europe. It's very important. It's a real investment.
China appears to be following its policy, already tested in Africa, of stepping into a country when outside investment is most needed. Critics say controversial investment decisions in Africa have allowed the Chinese to remove valuable raw materials with little benefit to the local economy. But analysts argue that not only can China turn a profit in Greece, it also has a chance to improve its reputation.
Chinese are playing a business approach. It's not about fairness. We are investing here because over the long term we want to try and get something out of it, but also being seen when we invest in a country like Greece that possibly we are welcomed also in other countries. That's important for China, and that's a reputation issue which China is trying to establish and possibly also to correct a little bit.
Increasing cooperation with China is more than just business for Greece. It is a way of restoring its shaken credibility.
But Greek dock workers are already talking of labour law violations and foresee China's growing economic power in the country as a clear sign of tough times ahead. Elinda Labropoulou, CNN.